Alright, in this video I'm going to show you how I fitted a rear quarter window to a Ford Fusion. Never did it before. It was quite straightforward. The glue they used to put around the windows is a little tricky to get off. Definitely didn't do it the right way, but I did manage to get it all off. There's quite a couple scratches and stuff, so if you do it, just be careful of that. But overall, worked out really well. Fitted lovely, had no problems or leaks. Yeah, hope you find this video useful. Okay, so I've managed to go open this side using a paint scraper and a Stanley. So now I'm just going to keep going round until it comes out. So I've got the majority of the glass out. Just need to cut along this bead all the way along, up there, and up there, and then after that, cut this off. Right, so that's the window out. I just need to cut this back, and then can prime it up and fit the new window in. Well, that was the mission. Got it down proper thin now. Basically this here was my favourite tool. Just kind of get behind it and pull, and then just cut along. Worked a treat. Now just clean it up. This was the first time of doing this, so excuse all the nicks. But I've got like this primer stuff that'll stop that from rusting or whatever. Oh, clean it up. There we go. Put this bit of plastic on here. Simply slides in. Got to take all this off now though. So let's repeat that again. Right, so I got all that off. I'm going to use a glass primer wipe to wipe around it. Use some body primer, this, to wipe around here. And then use this to put a bead along it, and then stick the window in, hold it in place with some masking tape. Just let that dry 5. There we go, that's a bead put around it. Now I can stick the window on. There we go, the window's all in place. Just leave that door shut for a bit, but identical to the other side. From the back. That one. There we go then. Well, it was pretty interesting doing that. On this one you just need to leave it to dry for an hour and then you're good to go, so just do that I guess, and take the masking off. It should be sweet. Alright, cheers.
that you